The numbers are the numbers are the numbers. Well, unless the numbers get jacked up. You know, everything has a place, and there's a place for everything, especially in HubSpot when it comes to your marketing and your traffic. And like, look, one of the things that many companies forget to do is filter out IP addresses for people in the office or remote workers or consultants. And so we're going to show you why you should do that in HubSpot and how. Let's go ahead and dive into this. So first, before we get into the tool, let's talk about the why. Look, if you're getting a ton of traffic to your blog articles or your website pages, you want to make sure that traffic is people that could be potential customers and not your internal team just coming to educate themselves on the awesome things that marketing is doing, or just looking at the pretty pictures or the new employees. Also, if you're running an ads campaign, you want to make sure that people like C-level folks or other marketers that are going to those AdWord landing pages or Facebook ad landing pages aren't bringing along traffic and, dirtying the data. Nobody likes dirty data. Nobody likes dirty data. Nobody likes dirty data. Anyway, you can see there's multiple reasons why you would want to make sure that the traffic is the traffic, because then the conversions are the conversions, and the traffic and conversions math actually works out and doesn't seem stupid. Let's go ahead and dive into HubSpot, show you how to get this done. It's quick, it's easy, but it's super important. And here we are once again in HubSpot for this pain-free tutorial. Well, it might be pain-free unless you stub your toe getting out of your chair while you're listening to this to go get your coffee. Never mind. For this tutorial, we're going to go ahead and head into the HubSpot settings, which is always a fun area to head into. We're going to click on this little icon up here. And once our settings page loads, we're going to head over to this left-hand navigation, and we're looking for this reporting and analytics tracking, and we're going to go ahead and click on that. You're going to see tracking code, advanced tracking, analytics views, cookie policy, and we, of course, are looking for this advanced tracking tab right here. Once we click on this advanced tracking tab, we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and then you're going to see exclude traffic, and you're going to be able to see IP address. This right here is my IP address. Now, if some strange reason that's not working, you can head over to Google and you can type in what is my IP address, and you can click on that, and of course Google is going to go ahead and give you your IP address right here. But typically you're going to be able to find it right here in HubSpot. You will want to then go ahead and put the IP addresses of anybody who works remote or your office IP address, because we want to keep our data clean. Anyway, this is how you exclude the traffic of your internal team from HubSpot. Make sure it happens today. I know it seems like it might be insignificant, but trust me, this is one thing that is super important, and in HubSpot, super easy. Hey, do you need education past this tutorial? Remember, that's what we do. Weekly trainings or 1 and 2 day workshops. Look, Sprocket Talk is all about HubSpot education. So make sure you do this today. Make sure you dive into your HubSpot portal, go to the settings, get those IP addresses, or get your users to log in and put their own IP addresses in there. Anyway, as always, this is your boy George B with another Sprocket Talk tutorial saying happy HubSpotting. Hey, that's the end of the tutorial, so go ahead and subscribe or watch another video.